Hey guys, it's Nathan Preisel here. I'm a physical therapist here at Fluid Health and Fitness, and today we're going to be showing you how to perform the bird dog exercise. The benefits of this exercise is that it's going to help you learn what it feels like to initiate a movement from a solid base, from that solid inner unit. It's also going to help you be able to avoid overuse injuries that may occur if you're not activating the abdominals correctly as your appendages are moving, which might end up in you experiencing extra or hyperlordosis or hyperflexion at the spine, as well as other overuse injuries of the appendages. We're going to go ahead and demonstrate that exercise. You're probably going to want a little cushioned surface, so if you have a yoga mat or exercise mat, you might want to use that. Otherwise, that's all the equipment that we need, so we'll be down on our hands and knees, and let's go ahead and get started.
Begin the position by getting into a quad position. This means your hips are going to be right over your knees and your shoulders are going to be over your palms. We want to make sure that the hips are parallel to the ground and that your spine is straight. Begin by crunching, pulling your back into flexion, and then slowly decelerate into extension, co-contracting both the abs and the erectors. You're going to use your external oblique to rotate your trunk into the brace side as your leg extends. Make sure to brace the hip before the leg extends. You're going to co-contract the oblique on the opposite side, pulling the hip up towards the rib before the shoulder glides back and the arm goes into extension with this contralateral extension across the body. This is targeting the posterior oblique sling. But notice Nate has his head back into flexion with cervical extension, and he's retracting the shoulder before the arm goes back into extension. That smooth, efficient movement is the appendages moving around a fixed canister. Once again, this is targeting the posterior oblique sling.
So thanks for putting in the work today and the effort to understand how to properly perform a bird dog exercise. It's very important for you to be able to know and understand what it feels like to properly initiate movement from a solid inner unit and a solid core. By doing this exercise properly, you're going to learn how to more efficiently produce movement of the limbs, and as a result, your performance will improve. Again, I'm Nathan Preisel. I'm a physical therapist here at Fluid Health and Fitness, and remember, your body is designed to move. We'll see you next time.